Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the Python eval function. Now, what is the usage of the eval function? Now let's discuss. It reduces the effort of the developer by recognizing the type of the variable entered by the user. It is mostly used along with the input function. As we all know about the input function, input function helps us to take the input from the user. But the data type of that particular variable is always string. We need to convert the data type of that variable according to our requirements. But with the help of the eval function, we are able to do it effortlessly because eval function automatically recognizes the value entered by the user. Okay, now let's see in Python. See, I have already written the code. I'm taking the age as an input, okay, and printing it and printing the type of the variable, okay. Let's see. So I'm going to enter the age. Now, what is the data type of this variable? That is string, okay. And I need to change the data type of this variable to int because it is my requirement. Because the age is always in number. But what eval function does, if we use the eval function along with the input, it automatically converts the particular data type in which the user has entered the value. Now, let's see. So firstly, I'm going to enter the age, that is of string. Now next, I'm going to enter the number, that is suppose 67. Now see, it automatically changes the data type of that particular variable to int type. I hope it is clear to all of you. So thank you.